how to download Bet365 app step by step. So you have two options, which is to officially download it from the Play Store itself. So first you have to go ahead and check if it's available for you. So search for Bet365, and if it's available, go ahead and install it. The other is a more unofficial way and a bit more dangerous, but it is a way you can download the Bet365 app. So you can go ahead to your preferred browser and search for Bet365 and an APK download, and make sure you're doing this safely. So scroll down to something like an up to down option right here. So download the APK app from Android, and you should be able to see that you can get a Bet365 app using your preferred browser. So scroll down until you find some sort of download option and press on that one. So you are doing this in your own risk. So if you are sure to do this, then just go ahead and press on the download anyway option. Then what you're gonna have to do is press on open with it, whatever installer you have. Press on install, and you should be able to see that your Bet365 app is now installing. Then it's much better to do a virus scan as well to be sure if there isn't anything wrong with it. So just go ahead and wait for the automatic virus scan for your device. If you don't have one, then it's better to go ahead and download one. So as you can see, this one is safe, so we can just go ahead and open it right now. But that's pretty much how you can download the Bet365 app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.